Today, I'm going to tell you how to precisely trade Apple with a very tight stop bet. You don't have to risk a lot of money, but could potentially make 100, 200+% on your money. And I'm even going to tell you about another stock trending beautifully. I just issued a new buy recommendation on. So let's go to the chart. Now, this is a daily chart of Apple going back for the last 12 months. And so this is a problem a lot of traders run into. They take a look at a chart and say, all right, this thing's up. It's doubled. It's gone from $70 to $140. I wish I'd bought it down to low, but I didn't. Where do I get in? Where do I buy? Well, that's what we're about to answer for you. What you want to do is lay this volume profile, this roadmap, see if you're on the right side of the chart, on there, showing you where the activity is. All right, this is going to identify those areas where buyers and sellers like this stock are likely to get back in. So, for example, when you're looking at this stock at the time, all right, let's say you're up here at $145-ish dollars, right? Here's the profile you've got. See the white line here? Where do you want to buy the stock? Where's the pullback? Well, you want to go to the area where the highest volume is. So if we outline this thing, okay, where's the buy point? Right here, right? Right there where the volume is, right around $115, $116-ish dollars per share. Well, let's see what happened on that stock going forward. Again, this is in early January of this year. Fast forward a couple of months, it pulls back, and look at where that low hit. Right there at 115, 116, right where you're predicting that the buyers would step in on the stock. And it doesn't look like much in this chart, but you zoom in, the thing went from 116 and it's at 135. It's more, it's a $20 move. It's around 12, 15% on a mega cap stock, all right? And I'm not just telling you this as a hypothetical, it's an actual alert that went out in the Precision Volume Alert Service. We issued a buy alert on this stock at $117 per share right here at the low of that candle. Okay, also included a call option. We bought the June $135 call option. Now, we bought those for $3.40 a piece. I just issued a sell alert about an hour ago to sell a chunk of those for a 97% profit. So the stock is up about 15%. You've got a 100% gain on the option because we were able to model a trade to maximize the percentage return we got on that. And again, as I said, the risk is fairly low on trade like this. What you want to do is when you've identified these areas, these low risk areas. So in this case, we're looking to buy right here, 115, 116 is right where we did. You say, all right, well, the buyers should step in right in this area, okay? If they don't, if it gets down below here, call it maybe 109, 110 right here in this naked area. If it gets through here, it's going to keep going. So you buy it at 116, 117. You got to stop at 110. You're only risking maybe 5, 6% on the stock, yet you're trying to make 15, 20, 25% on the run higher. And again, you can do even better with stock options. Okay, so that's the way to use volume, the right way to use this roadmap, this volume profile to pinpoint those areas where the big buyers, the hedge funds, the endowments, the institutions, where they're buying and selling the stock, so you can get a pretty good idea of where they're likely to become buyers again, right? A stock's going to go up until people quit buying. It's going to go down until people quit selling. So if you can identify that point where the buyers are likely to take over on the pullbacks, you can get in right there at the low and have a really nice drives higher like we've experienced here as our trade in Precision Volume Alerts. Now, here's a new trade we just entered in the same Precision Volume Alert service. This one's a little bit different. It's not a pullback. We've got a breakout on the same kind of volume, right? So we look here, we had a sort of double top here right around the 480, 490 mark, okay? We had kind of diminishing volume. We break through on this in the price. We get a big volume spike. It squats down and is now breaking right back up. And so it's right around where we got in. We got in this trade right around $5. It's still right there. This one hasn't begun to run yet, but what I'm looking for is a quick move up to around a $7 range. And should that happen, you're going to have about a 40% gain on the stock and hopefully a 200 to 300% gain on the option. And I don't want you to miss out on this one. So to learn more about the Precision Volume Alert Service, why I believe is the only indicator you need, how I use it, how this secret roadmap will essentially show you where the big buyers and sellers are taking action so that you know exactly where to buy, where to sell in order to minimize your losses, maximize your gains, and improve your overall profitability. So go ahead right now, click that link below this video, learn about how to trade volume the right way, become a member of my Precision Volume Alert service. Got a special deal for you guys right now, and I look forward to working with you over the coming year.